Hey you guys, it's been such a long time since I last spoke about the premium starter kit and the 12 essential oils that we love to get started with. That's the way I got started, and I still use every single one of those today, even though when I first started I had no clue what they were. And I thought it would be so much better just buy peppermint or lemon at the grocery store. Why buy them in little bottles? But I did not understand that they were so super concentrated and that they had therapeutic properties, unlike the things we can buy at the grocery store. So essential oils are distilled from the plant, which makes them very highly concentrated. So in a little bottle of lemon oil, for example, even though it's only cold pressed from the rind directly and not distilled, there's around 50 lemons in a bottle like this. Or 25 lemons, sorry, and peppermint, which you can buy at the store. 1 drop of peppermint essential oil is equivalent to 28 cups of peppermint tea, which I love peppermint tea, but 1 drop equals 28 cups. That's just crazy to me, and it just has so many amazing benefits. And the premium starter kit that I love comes with either this diffuser or this one called the Desert Mist. This one comes free, and I love them because they diffuse essential oils without heating them up. So it diffuses them with ultrasound, so it has like a little ultrasonic plate at the bottom of it. You add water and then your essential oils, 4 to 6 drops, around 4 to 6 drops, and you press the button and it starts diffusing. You can choose for how long it diffuses. You can choose the light setting. There's like 12 different light settings, and it just smells amazing, and you're not doing anything, you're just breathing and you're reaping the benefits out of these amazing essential oils. So right now what I'm diffusing is Thieves. Thieves is a blend of different essential oils, so it has rosemary and lemon and eucalyptus and cinnamon and clove, and together they form a synergy and they potentialize one another to be even more potent. So Thieves is our immune boosting essential oil. It's the one that we use when you feel kind of like the crud coming on, or a sore throat, or you start coughing, or you have the sniffles or anything like that that's attacking your immune system. Thieves is the one you want. You can diffuse it, you can make a roller with it, which is over here. So you can use a roller, you put your essential oils in it, and then you add fractionated coconut oil, which is a liquid coconut oil. So these I get on Amazon. I mean, they're really inexpensive. You put your essential oils, I put around 30 drops, and then you fill the rest with coconut oil, and you rub this under your feet and along your spine, and it boosts your immune system, and it helps get rid of those unwanted microbes that we don't want in our bodies. Thieves is one of the most efficient essential oils in fighting those microbes that we don't want. Then there's peppermint, which is amazing for digestion. This is one that I love putting in my water if I'm having a heavy meal. It's also one that I love rubbing on my temples and the back of my neck if I have a head tension. And it just smells delicious and so fresh. It helps with focus when you diffuse it, especially associated with lemon. So if you have trouble focusing, or your kids have trouble focusing on homework, if you need to do a lot of paperwork and pay bills or do your tax return or anything, you want to be diffusing peppermint with lemon. I also love it as a breath freshener and to curb my sugar cravings, like in the afternoon if I want a chocolate or something. It's easier to put a drop of peppermint on my tongue and breathe, and then it opens all the airways, and I completely forget about having a craving for sugar. Valerie is our brave oil, and these bottles might seem really small. They're only 5 milliliters, but each one has around 85 to 100 drops of essential oils, so there's a lot. They go a long way. Valerie is our brave oil. It's a blend that was used by, and it's kind of blue because it has blue tansy in it, which is a cousin of chamomile, a natural sedative. Roman soldiers used a blend of different herbs and spices on themselves before going out into battle to give them bravery and courage and valor. And I think that every woman needs this blend. It smells like sweet crushed grapes. It's just so delicious. A lot of women use it as daily perfume, which is a great way to detox your home, get rid of your artificial chemical perfumes, and just use essential oils. They smell amazing. They're good for your skin, and they actually won't mess up your hormones. So Valerie is amazing for that. A lot of people use it for sleep as well, rubbing it under their feet or diffusing it at night for sleep because of that blue tansy. That's a natural sedative. Stress Away is another one that's very relaxing. This is the vacation in a bottle. It smells like, I don't know, margarita by the beach because of the lime and the copaiba and lavender and vanilla that it has in it. It's just so delicious. It really smells like a sunny day in Hawaii, just relaxing. So you can diffuse this one in your car when you're feeling stressed and when there's traffic jam, or apply it on before you do public speaking or have a hard conversation with someone. This is the one you need. Citrus Fresh is amazing. It's also a synergy, so it's a blend of different essential oils. Has a lot of citrus oils, so it has orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. So as all the citrus, and then the spearmint is like that boost of freshness. So it's a great wake up oil in the morning. I love diffusing it for my sleepy heads in the kitchen. It helps wake them up, and also it's wonderful in water, in a glass of water, to help detox your liver, especially this time of year. After the holidays where we ate so much, and even just during the year, the liver just has so much to filter and work through with the chemicals that we're exposed to. We can't help it enough. So a couple of drops in your morning glass of water, and it's a great start to the day. Lemon is wonderful diffused. It helps with breathing, actually. It's also one that helps get rid of like little sticky residue on things. I painted the other day. I stained wooden planks with like a stain from the store, like an oily stain, and my hands were all brown. Soap would not get rid of it, of course, and so I used a few drops of lemon on my hands and just rubbed my hands with it, and then added some soap and rubbed and rinsed, and they were completely clean. I put that video up in our Facebook group called For the Love of Oils. Amazing. And it's also a great partner to Raven because it helps break down whatever we have in our respiratory system that won't break down. So it helps cough up that stuff that you don't want in your lungs. So if you have like the sniffles or anything respiratory related, you want to be diffusing lemon and Raven together. You can also make a vapor rub at home. This one has wintergreen and eucalyptus in it, which are amazing for respiratory support. So you can make yourself a little vapor rub with coconut oil and shea butter or whatever you have, and just rub it on chest and back and diffuse those. Wonderful for respiratory support. Frankincense is a very multi-purpose essential oil. It's also very good for respiratory support. It's wonderful for skin, so it's one that protects the cells on your skin and the cells in your body. So it's being researched because it helps prevent, and I have to be careful with my words, but it helps prevent some serious ailments that are caused when the cells reproduce erratically and not in an orderly fashion. So frankincense actually helps protect the cells from that. It protects them on the cellular level to just normalize the renewing of the cells in the body, if you wish. And in the winter, it's a wonderful help against that winter blues that we might feel kind of like blue because there's less light outside, and we're feeling kind of a little bit sad. Frankincense is wonderful diffused for that. It also helps during meditation or yoga to get deeper into your practice. It's very grounding. It's an oil that will anchor you. So, and it smells so woodsy, and it's just wonderful. I love it in my skincare as well. On all my fine lines and my little spots, I had a pregnancy mask with lots of dark spots, and they're almost gone. Thanks to frankincense, just applying it neat, just pure, not diluted, straight on my face. This one is called Panaway. It's also a blend. It has wintergreen in it and helichrysum, and helichrysum helps normalize the blood flow. So if you have like a bump or bruise, Panaway is a great one to apply if you don't want to have like an egg popping out or a really disgraceful being black and blue. Panaway is a great one to apply. Also after working out on sore muscles, or at the end of the day if you've been sitting at the computer all day, just rub it on your shoulders. It has that icy hot feel. Yeah, like that Bengay cream, only natural, only with essential oils and nothing else. So it's peppermint, wintergreen, clove, and helichrysum. Lavender is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. I love using it with frankincense in my skincare. So I have like a little roller like this where I put jojoba oil in it, and then these two essential oils to apply on my face every night, and it helps with that glow and that natural glow, where now I'm not I feel confident without makeup. I don't ever use foundation anymore. Frankly, I don't feel like I need it because my skin is just naturally glowing now. So yeah, lavender is also used when you've touched the stove and it was too hot and then you have a red spot. Just put it on there. It helps with the pain and it helps renew the cells that have been damaged. Same with the sun. If you stayed in the sun and you have pink skin, just apply it on, and it's wonderful to soothe. You can apply it pure. You don't have to dilute it. Lavender is very gentle. It also helps with sleep. If you have children who struggle to fall asleep or go to sleep, it's wonderful to diffuse with frankincense, by the way. Wonderful together. This one is called Digestive. It's funny because it's not one that most people love the smell of, and yet it's still part of the premium starter kit because it has a very important job to do in our digestive system. So I don't have to draw you a picture, but when you have digestive discomfort, whether you're running to the bathroom or whether you're not going enough, or we feel bloated after a meal, or you eat something that doesn't sit right with you. For some people, I don't know, it can be gluten. For some people it's dairy. For some people it's garlic or onions or anything, cucumbers. You can apply Digest straight on your belly and rub, or you can dilute it, and you can also plop a drop straight in your mouth. I've found that that's the fastest relief. It doesn't taste awesome because it's very aniseed. It has aniseed, essential oil, tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, patchouli. So it's a very potent blend, but I've known doctors' offices to diffuse it in during gastro season, which is around the spring usually. Very efficient against all these things. Peace and Calming also has blue tansy, but it has a bunch of citrus oils in it. So it's definitely a happy, uplifting essential oil blend, which will also help you calm down and take away that edge of stress or being angry, or it'll help, you know, calm you down. Peace and Calming. A lot of people use it for sleep as well. And I've put a roller top on, that way I can just use it straight away. And you can, anything emotional, you want to be breathing your essential oils because they'll reach the limbic system in your brain and help control those emotions. In the premium starter kit, you also get a hand sanitizer, which has peppermint essential oil in it, and it's just wonderful to get rid of all the gunk that you have on your hands. Obviously, the best way to wash hands is with water, but there isn't always water. For example, at the pump when you're filling up your car, or I don't know, you've just touched something, or before eating a picnic or something, you want to be having clean hands before touching your face or touching your kids or whatever. You only need a tiny amount, and then always breathe in because you don't want to waste the inhale. That peppermint is just opens the airways and smells wonderful. So the hand sanitizer is super handy, and it comes for free in the premium starter kit. And then this Thieves spray. So they're all made with that Thieves essential oil over here. Remember, that gets rid of all the bad microorganisms that we don't want. This is wonderful. Honestly, I take it in public bathrooms because it stinks in there. Just spraying it won't cover the smell. It will get rid of the microorganisms that are responsible for the bad odor. So, and it smells delicious because it has cinnamon bark in it and it smells like Christmas. I've also been known to spray it in my mouth. It's super spicy and strong, but it's radical when I have a sore throat, just to spray it in my mouth. It's awesome. Follow with a hot cup of tea and a little bit of honey, and I'm good. Like, I'm good. So the premium starter kit also comes with 2 packs of Ningxia Reds. And these are basically just goji berries. I don't know if you've heard of goji berries. They're super high in antioxidants. These are organic goji berries. They're grown fair trade in the Ningxia province of China. And they're crushed and they're pureed and put in there. So it has the flesh, it has the seeds, it has the skin, everything's pureed and put in there. Ningxia also has antioxidant essential oils and blueberries and cherries and pomegranate and all of these wonderful things that help with our eyes, that help with our brain function, it helps with our energy levels, our skin, all these amazing things. And the premium starter kit comes with a free desert mist diffuser, which has lots of different light settings. I don't know if you'll be able to see. So this is the candle flicker, which is so cute. Reds and just different sweet little settings that you can change like that. And you can also, of course, have it turned completely off if that bothers you, for example, at night. But it goes on for 12 hours. Same as this one. This one has little remotes, and you can change the light like this. I'm not sure you can see properly, but it changes. And you can control for how long you want it to diffuse as well. So please comment if you have any questions. The premium starter kit starts at $165 and the value is over $360 if you were to get everything separately. The premium starter kit comes with a lifelong membership to Young Living without any obligations or any loopholes. There's no like fine script or anything. You just sign up and get your kit, and then if you want to subscribe to a monthly delivery of vitamins, shampoos, they're all clean, house cleaners and toothpaste and everything. If you want to detox your home, that's the best way to go. That's what I do to this day, and it's just wonderful to have a house that is chemical free now, and we all feel better for it. So feel free to ask me any questions. The Aria kit with this diffuser is at $250, which is a bargain because the diffuser itself is $225. So you get the diffuser plus the 12 oils and these and the antioxidants for $250. So that's definitely the best option, best value for your money. All right, you guys, feel free to ask me any questions and have a great day.